Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. So yesterday's video I told you I will bring the VIP room decors today. So you can see in this video also more maybe the VIP room it is there, and next video maybe I will show room VIP rooms. So I hope you all are doing good. So let's start the video without wasting any time. You can see this one, you can see the swimming pool, and the down you can see beautiful place, decoration, good decoration and all. This one you can see very beautiful, you can see the decoration is very beautiful. Up you can see, down you can see the grass and the inside decoration, beautiful decoration. You can see this one also very beautiful decoration, you can see from up and down and sides, very beautiful decoration that is for this one also. This is also very beautiful. You can see the up, you can see the lights, and you can see the bed. You can see beautiful bed it is, and you can see this one also very beautiful. You can see the up lights and the sides, and the sofa very beautiful looking. And here also in winter you can come and sit your friends, families if the fire is there. And in winter you can sit here, it's very good. Here also you can sit in winter, you can see the fire here, very beautiful. You can sit your friends and families and all, you can sit here. This one also very beautiful. You can see the palm trees there, and inside you can see bed, something very beautiful decoration. This one also very beautiful. You can see the up, you can see down, you can see, and the side maybe swimming pool or what, looking beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can close and open, beautiful decoration. This is very beautiful for coming up, and you can see this one also very beautiful. You can see up the slides, you can see this is from rain, because of rain. If rain is coming, water will go there. This one also very beautiful. It is also outside of the roof of the house, very beautiful. You can see sit here. This one also very beautiful. You can see up and down, you can see the sofas and all, very beautiful, looking very beautiful. This one also very beautiful. You can see the up lamps, and you can see down the sofas and all, and the decoration, beautiful decoration. You can see this one also very beautiful. You can see the table there, and the waterfall, very beautiful waterfall. This one also very beautiful. You can see the fan and the swimming pool. It's also very beautiful, and the grass, very beautiful decoration, and I did this for this one. You can see this one also very beautiful beautiful makeover decoration, very grateful. Also this one also very beautiful. You can see the lights and all, and down you can see very beautiful. So if you guys like this video, so please guys don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends and families and all. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Love you all, and wait for the next video.